Do you love splashes as much as we do? Then welcome to a new episode of BlaBlaSun. The love for splashes appears early. First, in the bathtub, when the water turns into an ocean and the rubber duck into a ship, then puddles after the rain. Mom yells, "Don't jump!" And that's exactly why you jump. Soap bubbles in the sun are also splashes, just airborne ones. The first vacation by the sea, a wave knocks you off your feet, and you laugh without knowing why. Over the years, splashes become different. Orange juice on your hands, drops of sweat after a run, champagne at graduation, tears from joy, from a movie, from getting a puppy. Every time, the same feeling. The world felt a little closer. And then you find yourself in the Riviera Maya, and you realize your whole childhood was just a rehearsal. Everything here splashes. The sea, the lime, the sun, even the people. The bartender opens a bottle. Fireworks. A dolphin plunges in the bay. Applause. A pool party. A science experiment in phone survival. Splashes here aren't an accident. It's the climate. They cure apathy, wash away anxiety, and it seems, even raise your vitamin D level to a state of happiness. By the way, the word splash used to mean a spark of water, something that lives for a fraction of a second but leaves a mark. In art, they were captured by Turner and Monet. In film, by Fellini and Wong Kar-wai. At resorts, by everyone who has ever mistaken a glass for an ice bucket. If you're sad, find something that splashes. The sea, the shower, laughter, even just a lemon. The world will change. Because everything that is alive must one day explode with light. In the Riviera Maya, there are enough splashes for everyone, which means there are plenty of reasons to laugh too. This was BlaBlaSun. Drink water, catch the Sunday subscribe, and may life always hit you with at least one drop. Salute.